Welcome to Perry Toons Kids Channel.
Let's go meet the animals. They'll teach us A to Z. Each one has a letter sound. Come sing along with me. A is for alligator, alligator. Hi, alligator. I'm an alligator. B is for bear, bear. Hello, I'm Benny the bear. Let's bounce with. C is for cat, cat. I'm Kathy the cat. Let's crawl with cat. D is for dog, dog. Wolf, I'm Danny the dog. Dog loves to dig. E is for elephant, elephant. I'm Ellie the elephant. I stomp with elephant. F is for fox, fox. Hey there, I'm Felix the fox. Roll with fox. G is for giraffe, giraffe. I'm Gina the giraffe. Reaching high with giraffe. H is for hippo, hippo. I'm Henry the hippo. Hello from the river. I is for iguana, iguana. Hi, I'm Maisie the iguana. Let's inch with. J is for jaguar, jaguar. Jumping in, I'm Jay the jaguar. Jump and jog, jump and jog. K is for kangaroo. I'm Kiki the kangaroo, kicking it hop. L is for lion. I'm Leo the lion. Leaves, I'm Max the monkey. Let's move with, man is for newt. I'm Nina the newt, nice to meet you. O is for owl. Oh, I'm a liver. The owl says hi. P is for penguin. Waddle with me, I'm Penny the penguin. Q is for quail, quail. Quick steps, I'm Quinn the quail. Quail's cool. R is for rabbit, rabbit. I'm Ruby the rabbit. Run and race. S is for snake, snake. I'm Sammy the snake. Slither. T is for tiger. I'm Tara the tiger. Tiptoe and pounce. U is for unicorn, unicorn. I'm magical. I'm Uma the unicorn. V is for vulture, vulture. I'm Victor the vulture. Fly high. W is for whale, whale. Whoosh. I'm Wonder the whale. Water play. X is for fox. Me again. Felix the fox. X goes in fox. Y is for yak, yak with me. Yodel with me, I'm Yo-Yo the yak. Z is for zebra, zebra. Step along, I'm Sarah the zebra. Zoom, zoom. Now you know your ABCs. With animals, wild and fun. Let's give a cheer and clap our hands. Our alphabet journey's done. It's time to learn our A to Z. Sound it out and give a cheer. The ABCs are starting here. A is for apron. B is for button, button. C is for cup, cup. D is for drum. E is for eraser, eraser. F is for fan, fan. G is for gift, gift. H is for hammer. We're learning sounds, hooray, hooray. Letters help us every day. Big and small, they're fun to see. Sing along from A to Z. I is for ink, ink. J is for jar, jar. K is for key, key. L is for lamp. M is for mug, mug. N is for net, net. O is for oven, oven. P is for pencil. Q is for quilt, quilt. R is for ring, ring. S is for sock, sock. T is for tent, tent. U is for uniform, uniform. V is for vest, vest. W is for window, window. X is for xylophone. Y is for yarn, yarn. Z is for zipper, zipper. We sang and learned from A to Z. Now you're smart as smart can be. Say the sounds and sing with cheer. We'll sing again, come back next year.
Sing with me. Let's learn letters. A is for ant, marching in a row. B is for bunny, hopping to and fro. C is for cow, going moo moo. D is for duck and her ducklings too. E is for ewing, soft and white. F is for fox who hides at night. G is for goat with a funny bleat. H is for hen laying eggs so neat. I is for inchworm crawling slow. J is for jay with a call like whoa. nibbling cheese. N is for newt, near the trees. O is for owl, hooting at night. P is for pig, rolling left and right. Q is for quail, quick on her feet. R is for rooster with a crow so sweet. S is for sheep with a woolly coat. T is for turkey with a double note. U is for upland duck waddling by. V is for bowling, who peeks and hides. W is for weasel, sneaky and slim. X is for x-ray fish, lives in mid-ocean. Y is for yak in the barn today. Z is for zebra, who stopped on her way. Come to the farm, sing A to Z. Animals everywhere, happy